What is going on, guys? Sir Lewis here, and in today's video I'm going to give you my honest opinion and review on the cold storage wallet, the Keystone. As you guys can see right here, the Keystone Pro. I got it. I just want to thank you guys so much because Keystone actually sent me this for free, and I owe it all to you guys, that you guys support my videos, support my channel. And by the end of the video, if you guys want to get the Keystone, you guys can use my link in the pinned comment in the description below. It'll definitely help me out. Thank you in advance. My last honest wallet review was the Elipal, and you can see we got 3K views. We got a lot of views, a lot of likes. I'm gonna be giving you guys here my honest opinion, my honest review, the pros, the cons, and you guys know I keep it real. I'll tell you guys exactly what I think, the good and bad. This is how it looks right here. It's actually pretty light. It's pretty light. Okay, it has a camera and a fingerprint right here where you can put your finger to unlock the phone. But let me just tell you, so this is how it looks. The touchscreen is actually really well. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's really responsive. Now, first impressions making my account and all that with this wallet, I just gotta say it's probably, out of all the wallets that I've had, it's probably the most user-friendly wallet. Okay, I'm gonna be completely honest. It's the most user-friendly wallet that I've had in making my account and also sending and receiving crypto. And as soon as you make your password and you're gonna log back in, it's gonna say enter your password, but in the settings there's a feature where you can unlock it by simply putting your finger right here in the fingerprint. And it's just super easy. You just put in your finger. You don't have to worry about people looking at you putting your password or anything like that. But going along with the easy user interface, one of the cons that comes with a Pro, to update your wallet, okay, you have to have a micro SD card. And this doesn't come with it, okay? The micro SD card, you got to get your own. It doesn't come with it. You can see right here, there's a spot right here for the micro SD card. And whenever there's an update for Keystone, you put it in your computer, download the latest update on that micro SD card, then you put in your Keystone, and that's how it updates. That is a con, but it's a con for a Pro because this wallet is air gapped, and I explained what air gapped is in my previous wallet review for the Elipal, which is also air gapped. But basically, the wallet being air gapped is that it only communicates with a QR code. That's why it has a camera on the back. Okay, this does not connect to Wi-Fi, no cables, no Wi-Fi, no Bluetooth, only the QR code. So to send crypto, you scan the QR code, and that's how it sends. You can see right here at the top the scanning icon. You press on that, and then look at that, the camera's like scanning, and it scans the QR code. Now, in my opinion, this Pro makes up for the con of it having to use a micro SD card because it's way more secure than being able to connect to the Wi-Fi, connect Bluetooth, because those wallets are more vulnerable to a certain type of hack using Wi-Fi, cables, and Bluetooth. What's cool is the way that this powers is this battery that you can recharge, but there's two types of batteries. There's this one that you can recharge, that you can charge right here, and there's also this one that is batteries. Okay, so you have that option. You can have one that's batteries or one that you take out to charge. One thing too, if you do get this cold storage wallet in the future, if you go right here to resources, okay, and you click on web authentication, basically you're gonna scan the QR code with your Keystone, and it's gonna tell you if it is safe. Now, the reason why this is important is because let's say you buy the Keystone from some unofficial website in which that Keystone could easily be like hacked or manipulated, so it's controlled by somebody else. If you come right here and you scan it, it's gonna tell you if it's bad or not. Okay, but if you buy it from the official website, which my link is for, it's the official website, when you do scan it, it's gonna stay safe, and it's gonna be ingrained and stay safe right here. So that's just a hint right there for the future if you guys do decide to get it. So one other pro here that many people don't talk about, but I really like about this wallet, is the fact that it's one of the few wallets that does support Metamask, that you can connect to Metamask, as you guys can see right here. And it's the only air-gapped wallet, I believe, that supports Metamask. But I really like that because I do use Metamask a lot, and you can connect this wallet to Metamask. Now let's talk about some of the coins that are on this. As you guys can see, Bitcoin, Phantom, Ethereum, Kronos, Polkadot, BNB, XRP, right, Avalanche, Tron, Kava, Near, Litecoin, Aptos, Solana, Kusama, Dash, Bitcoin Cash, and many more. If you scroll right here on the website, you can see other coins here that it does support. Now, I will say one of the cons is that it doesn't support a lot of native coins, as you guys can see, versus other wallets. So even though they don't have a lot of native coins here, they might not have a coin that you like. They might add it in the future, but at least they have, you know, some of the top important coins here, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, BNB. And you can also go right here to wallets, and you can see all the wallets that they do support, which Metamask obviously is one of them. Solflare, Safe, Polkadot, and they also have an app that you can download on your phone as well. Now, I did some research on the security of this phone, and as we already know, the air gap technology is very secure, And you can see right here, eliminates all attacks from USB, Bluetooth connection, and Wi-Fi, right? But another important feature to this wallet is the EAL5 Plus secure element in open source. And I'm not a very technical person, but I did some research on this, and this chip that is open source is very secure and tamper proof. If somebody tries to go in here, they literally have to melt this and open it up, and when you do that, it basically deconstructs itself. And just like I was saying right here, it says self-deconstruct mechanism. An inbuilt self-deconstruction mechanism will activate and thwart any attempts of physical tampering of device. This is very important because if somebody steals this from you and they're trying to do that, it's going to self-deconstruct and you're not going to be able to get your crypto. And in my opinion, that feature plus it being air gap is at the top tier of being ultimate security, in my opinion. It also has protection against supply chain attacks. You can read more about that type of attack right here. And when you buy from them, your shipping information is never revealed. And here on the wallet, you can create multiple addresses for a certain coin, as well as have multiple types of signatures, as you guys can see right here. Also in the settings, they have a pattern lock, as well as I told you guys the fingerprint, which is very convenient. But overall, the feel of this wallet is very convenient and it feels premium. It feels like it doesn't feel cheap. It feels really smooth when you're using it and not buggy at all. Overall, my honest opinion, I like this wallet. I feel like this wallet is at the top tier of security. Like if you want to keep your crypto, Bitcoin in the most secure place, in my opinion, I would choose this wallet, okay, for certain coins. But one of the cons, like I said, it doesn't have a huge variety in terms of native coins, but that's fine because they can add it in the future, right? I also like the fact that it supports Metamask, which I think is a huge plus. And even though you got to update it with the micro SD card, it's fine. I prefer security over that because I want to know that my crypto is in the most secure place, especially with that air gap technology. So overall, I really like this. Definitely check it out. If you guys want to get it, use my link in the pinned comment and description below, and I'll definitely keep you guys updated as well as any updates regarding Keystone in their wallet as well. So thank you guys so much, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.